Hi friends, in this episode I would like to explain the concept of arrangement with repetition. Let's take a simple example wherein I have taken 5 different bottles. While they are different or unique because the pattern of the colors is different, let's read that the 2 larger bottles are the same type and the 3 smaller bottles are of the same type. If all the 5 were unique, we know that the total number of arrangement possible in this case would be 5 factorial. Why? Because we have 5 spaces. This one can take 5 bottles. This one can take the remaining 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Number of arrangements is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 5 factorial. Right? If these were unique. Unfortunately, they are not. And these two are of one type and the smaller ones are of one type. In this specific use case, let's see small, small, big, small, small is what the arrangement is. Now, small, small, big. Assuming that these two big bottles are fixed here and they do not move, these 3 small bottles themselves have 3 factorial ways of arrangement. Why? Because 3 spaces for 3 small bottles, it can be fixed in 3 factorial ways. However, the 5 factorial that we've taken here is under the assumption that all the 5 bottles are unique, which will result in different cases like these, which technically boil down to the same arrangement because 1, 2, 3 are the same. So I need to divide this by 3 factorial to get unique arrangements. And for the same reason, by fixing the small bottles, the 2 big bottles can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So the number of unique arrangements is this. The formula is that if there are total n objects out of which p are of one type, q are of one type, r of other type and the remaining are unique, then the number of arrangements possible is n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. It's important for us to understand why we are dividing it, which becomes simple when we understand that these arrangements, the small bottle arrangements which are the same, can be done in 3 factorial ways, and hence the total which we have assumed to be unique need to be divided by 3 factorial and 2 factorial for the big bottle.